If you're off-roading, you know the dangers of rocks, water, and dirt damaging engine parts. Stick around because today we'll show you how to protect those vital parts under your truck. The Hammerhead skid plate for Jeep JL and Gladiator is made of high-quality steel and is designed to protect the undercarriage of the vehicle from rocks, debris, and other obstacles encountered during off-road driving. The plate covers the front underside, including the oil pan, transmission, and transfer case, providing complete protection for these vital components. This front skid plate is manufactured from high-quality, high-tensile steel, laser-cut, formed and welded with quality precision for maximum strength and durability. The Hammerhead skid plate features a black powder-coated finish for added durability and corrosion resistance. Engineered for a perfect fit and function, the installation is seamless with no cutting or drilling required. The Hammerhead skid plate is also an essential add-on for our Project Gladiator because it'll be used as a mount for the lower safety chains. Now that we know more about the Hammerhead front skid plate, it's time to get this installed on our Jeep Gladiator. The Hammerhead front skid plate is a straightforward bolt-on installation using basic hand tools. Installation does not require any drilling or welding. The Hammerhead front skid plate has pre-drilled bolt holes for easy mounting. This skid plate also serves as the mounting location for your safety chains if flat towing. Protect the lower front of your vehicle while off-roading with Hammerhead's front skid plate. To find out more and get one for your truck, check out xdp.com or contact your local dealer.